Is opening a brick and mortar retail store pointless in 2021? Time starts. Now, let me tell you the answer to this one. If it were pointless, no one would be doing it. Is it the right thing for your business? Your guess is as good as mine. So how do you determine the accuracy of your guess? Well, if you could deliver your product and services without building brick and mortar and doing it profitably, do it scalably, do it in a way that you can grow and serve and be everything and touch as many lives as you want to, then do it. You want to create a brand that has the least overhead required. However, just like e-commerce is not a panacea, and if you've got some questions on e-commerce, check out this episode of How You Grow Brand. But just like e-commerce is not a panacea, brick and mortar is not. You need to figure out what is the best way to connect you with your customers, with your community. It's not a question of, is it pointless? It is, what point will it serve your brand?